Don't look down, but we got company.
Be heard.
And there's the bell. Michael, don't forget the best part. We got divas. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. Me too. I've given up even trying to figure out what they're going to do next. I'm just sitting back watching and enjoying. And she's stripping to the mat hard.
A ton of talent, a ton of ability. Certainly someone to keep an eye on.
How do you get up?
What intensity! She's clearly controlling the pace of this match. If you're just tuning in, I'm Michael Cole. Thank you for joining us on this Tuesday evening. Oh, what a strike. Oh, its placement on our opponent was strategic and precise. Man, that had to hurt. Making it look easy. WWE Magazine out this month, and you'll find some interesting articles in there about all the superstars here in WWE. Who do you get to read the magazine? These two divas are at a standoff here. Hey, wait a minute. She needs to stay focused here. She shouldn't turn her back to her opponent during a match or that happens. That will look out. She missed her target that time. Yeah, I guess you could say she was just a bit off the mark with that one. We're looking at complete domination here. Another electric crowd on hand here for SmackDown, as has been the norm over the years. Whoa! F5. This one's over. You're right, Cole. Nobody gets up from an F5. Can she do it? This may be it. And she kicks out. She's not just beautiful. She's tough, too. Wow! Unbelievable impact there. Uh-oh. Watch it! It's all academic from here. Not going to win many matches with that news. Man, this has been a great matchup. You're right about that, Cole. A Met Classic. I think she's trying to prove a point here. Back where it belongs, inside the ring.
Stop talking, Eddie.
I've talked to several people who think she's bitten off more than she can chew here. I can't say that I agree. Going for the cover.
I love you. I'm taking video.
Nobody home there. Nobody home? Cole, that looks like the house has been empty for months. Look out. Dishing out some serious punishment here. Stay down! Stay down! Looking for the win. Is it enough to put an end to this one? Oh, man, there's the finisher. This could be it. Will she win it here?
I think so.
Here's your winner, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. This was a match that was simply mesmerizing. Oh, those WWE competitors tore this arena apart. Let's go to the highlights here.
Here's your winner, Wildcat.
A very impressive victory.
It's wins like that that makes this diva such a force to be reckoned with here in the WWE.
And that's it for this week of SmackDown. Good night, everybody.